What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 5th of August, we're taking a look at Turbo. We have things ramping up to the downside here this Sunday night, Monday morning. Monday morning now, Sunday night. Markets really started to ramp up to the downside when the futures opened up. So we have Bitcoin down 5,200, 9%. We have Turbo down 16.7, 0.00067 cents. We have a couple things to talk about here. So we have, real quick, I want to start this off by saying the past couple of videos been talking about some different positions we've had. If you missed it, so we were long the Bitcoin micro futures. That's the smaller Bitcoin contract. So we were long those, and let me just show you one here for an example. We were long those, and then they started to, we had a decent up day. We'll get back to Turbo in just a moment. We had a decent up day on the 29th of July, which was a bearish engulfing candle and reversed off the, off of basically a new recent high. It was a thing of concern for me. We were still long, but then we started to get a couple more days of weakness in Bitcoin. Really got some weakness on this day, on the 1st of August. I believe that's the day we closed out of our long position. Our rules got us out. I believe it was that day. I think we were out before Friday. But Friday was an ugly day. And we got out. Well, we got in because we expected Bitcoin to continue higher. That's why you get long in a market. It started to for a couple days. I believe we were long from right around 63 and a half or so. I think right in here we got long, and then we got short. No, we didn't get short. We closed our position for a very small loss. But anyways, the point is, guys, we got into a position thinking it was going to do one thing, and when that reason is no longer there, you shouldn't be in your position. That reason was no longer there. Our rules got us out, and then you could see how the markets have went straight down. Markets are actually short right now. So my opinion, being flat to short is probably your best play right now. If you're buying the dip for the long term, I understand that can get you into some trouble, for a long time until the markets recover. But I understand that for long-term investors and, index funds, etc. But anyways, for the trader, especially using leverage in futures, unless you have a huge account, it's a dangerous place to be. Anyways, so just to let you know where we're standing here on the markets. We are flat, the markets right now. Flat to short is where you should be. We are currently flat. Of course, not financial advice. So we have Turbo here. Turbo finding some support, who knows how long it holds, guys. At the 31835 level. That's right here in orange. That is a current support area for Turbo. It acted as support back in here on the 5th of July, the 6th of July. Once again over here on the 13th of July, and we find ourselves again on the 5th of August finding support at 318,358. Now, if things ramp up here to the downside, that level, there's almost no chance that level's going to hold. And just, these levels can hold for periods of time. We've talked about for a long time now. So this will hold for a period of time. That period of time can be 20 minutes. That period of time can be the bottom for, for months, years. So again, yes, we're getting a bounce there. It's good to see, but it could just turn around and continue down to the next level. So it found support there for a period of time. A period of time can be short-lived, especially in a market that's going to the downside. So I just wanted to mention that to you. Below the markets here, and this is an important low right here. We undercut this low. Could be a straight free fall. The 5th of July low, which was 0.0297172. 28482 was a level here in yellow. 202.32, 170.45, 157.65, guys. We could easily see a market take out that low from the 5th and do something like this. That's basically what Bitcoin is doing right now. It took out a very important low. It is heading basically straight down. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Keep your head in these markets conditions, especially if you're using leverage. Be careful out there. There's a lot of, good deals for the long-term investor, but if you can't ride through some more major selling or volatility, then you're probably better just being flat and waiting for things to stabilize. Most people are. If you're a long-term investor and you're just dollar cost averaging in without leverage, okay, you're probably a little bit more advanced and you know the scenario you're getting into. But for most people out there, cut your losses short, and when markets start to show their strength again, you can just get back in. But in the meantime, probably being flat is your best place. Of course, not financial advice, guys. Please make your own financial decisions. Let's see if the 31.835 holds, or do we head down to 2.8, maybe 2.0, or even 1.715 for turbo. That's down in here. You guys have a great day. Be careful out there. Best of luck, and catch you guys in the next one.